Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today is Tuesday. Hopefully, we'll have some nice setups. Well, let's start with the news first of all. Yeah, today we have our favorite influencer speaking in the New York session. So be careful then, because that's the guy who can move the market up and down without any doubt. Good morning, Miko. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Bukur. Be careful in the New York session, because Powell could move the market up and down. Now, if we are looking at the daily chart on Bitcoin, not too many things developed from yesterday. Boring day yesterday, but we managed to scalp and make nice money. Well, Tuesday usually we can play the Monday low and Monday high. And as you can see, we are close to Monday high, and Monday low it's at 54,300 kind of idea. We don't have a clear W here at the bottom of the range, but you can see we are trying to accept back in the range and maybe push higher. They are selling a lot of Bitcoin on spot, but seems like the market is absorbing that liquidity. Well, at least for the moment. Yeah. Let's see Mt. Gox, and depending if they'll push with more FUD, I think we can touch 52, maybe even 45. But for the moment, you can see it's holding this level, and let's appreciate that. We got some fills. Yeah, we got some fills on our altcoins, and now we are consolidating. Maybe we'll get another dip. Mick will be happy, and Ken and everyone. We can get even lower. But in meantime, day traders could play around. Scalpers could make some money. So why not? On indicators here, well, I see some W's. You can see here, this is a potential divergence on RSI. Now, let me show you. That's a potential one, but it's there. Another thing we can say, well, we'll confirm when we'll touch this level, when we'll close above this level. Okay, that's the big one. And now you can see here that we have a W on RSI, which is confirming now. Let's see how today will close. For the moment, looks promising, but let's not forget that it's Tuesday. A lot of people will be active today, so we'll have some volatility, some liquidity in the market, and I think it's better to, I don't know, to wait a little bit for Monday low to try to play some setups. So we have some signs on RSI. We have some signs here on OBV. You can see the W here. But that doesn't mean we cannot, I don't know, push here, take the liquidity again at 58, maybe 59, and then break down at 52. Tuesday usually it's a good day for trading. We have some volatility. That's Bitcoin. If I'll go on a 4-hour chart, well, similar thing. Now, we have a W here on 4-hour chart. We are trying to confirm this big W. The problem we have is that we rejected from the neckline. And now that neckline, if you look left, it's behaving like a resistance. So we can go sideways, and we'll decide maybe later what will happen. What I'm expecting on 4-hour chart? Well, I'm expecting SFU of this level, if it will be possible. Yeah, SFU of this one. Let me see. Short SFU. Where are you? So this one, and maybe even I'll try to play this one. But if we'll reach this level, I want the next one. So 53,385. That will be my reclaiming. And reclaiming here, I'm not playing the classic SFU. So I want the market to push higher on 5-minute chart, then accept back below. Here, accepting below, and then reclaiming. I think is the best. And you can see here we formed a acceptable $5,000 range. It's tradable for us. Yeah. So let's not think dump 45, 32. Yeah. The market market will test 52, and then if will be the case, we'll go to 45. For the moment, let's not forget that we are above that level. We didn't accept at 52. Indicators on 4-hour chart, you can see it's just following the price action. Similar on Ethereum, but a difference on Ethereum. We have equal lows. I don't like that. But at the same time, you can see we are trying to accept above this this high. We are trying to confirm this W. And if you are looking at, I don't know, zoom out version. Let's zoom out a little bit more. We have some support here. This one is not valid anymore. We ticked below this level, is not valid. You can see here. So we don't have allocation. But let's think range here. So at the bottom of the range, we have a W. I'm not saying, okay, take this W. Wait for a breakout and a retest. And at the retest, you can frame a setup. Could be a fake out if will not clearly break to the upside. Could be a fake out and then back down. Take the liquidity here, push lower, and then form a new W. So for the moment, I don't have a setup on Ethereum, let's be honest. But I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting for one. Bitcoin dominance. Well, it's just playing around in this range. Morning, Bova. Morning, Ken. Morning, Yopunk. We have a nice big range. We are playing around. Not too many things are developing. I could see this big yam. That's nice. So if Bitcoin will hold, not 56, not 52. If we'll hold 52, we have a good chance that altcoin will bounce and will push higher. It's that simple. We have the yam. Let's see. Not the best location. I wanted the yam a bit higher, but it's not about me. It's about how the market will develop. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, on 4-hour chart, we formed a range here. I still think we can push lower, but for the moment, still range. We have some on higher time frame. We have some bearish divergence, but I could see a range from 0057 to 0051, and it's just playing ping pong here. Nothing special. DXY, well, higher, lower, but actually is just playing around on around this support and resistance level. 105.5, that's our level. I don't know how much time will stay there. Sorry. But for the summer, I prefer to see DXY there, and that will be nice for SFU. Seeing DXY staying there, it's make me think that it's a classic summer time. So hunting liquidity to the upside, hunting liquidity to the downside. Market is pretty strong, but on intraday, I think SFU are working really nice. Well, we talked about Bitcoin. Let's see total and total 1 and 2. Similar pattern here. Let's stay on daily on this one. Well, on daily looks ugly because we confirmed this yam, and well, we are trying to reclaim, but not yet. Total 2 even uglier, and total 3 similar. So yeah, we can see a bounce, but for the moment on Bitcoin and everything, let's just call it a dead cat bounce here. Yeah, we had this trend line front running 52. Okay, we are bouncing, but for the moment we don't have a clear setup. Let's stay out and wait for a clear one. I'm still short. Yeah, I'm still short with this one, and I think everyone should be short. I said when we are touching this low, I said you can close 30% if you want, or maybe more. It's up to you. My job was to try to convince you, try to show you a setup here in the top to hedge your portfolio. That was my purpose. Now it's easy. Okay, now if you have requests, I see 12 people here. If you have requests, please type in the chat, and I'll gladly take a look at the end. I'll take a look at the request. Ticker in time frame. Stefan will do the live stream. after we finish this one. So I don't know if Stefan will stay 1 hour or more, but he will do a short live stream day trading with Stefan. Okay, now looking at the day trading part, people from yesterday, if you remember, yesterday was looking a bit different, and I'll put the replay just to see how the market was looking here. We had this hole in the profile, and I said we need a fill. We need to fill this one, and if we accept it here, we'll probably touch the value area low. And if I'll close the replay now, well, there you go. Yeah? We touched the value area low, even if you modify it, we touched it and we accept it back above. And we fill the hole in the profile. Yeah? Now it's a new day, and we have the same problem. Yeah? A hole here. It's smaller for the moment. The range is smaller, but that could change pretty fast. Yeah, we have a hole here. Now we have the POC. POC will behave like a magnet. Don't trust the pump here. Could grab the liquidity. Maybe even could create some liquidity here. You can see it's rejecting below this level. Anyway, I don't see a setup. I'll go on 1 hour chart, and I think it's better that way. Let's hide the volume profile. Here we are playing fib pong. Yeah? You can see swing low, swing high, long reload zone, shark setup. Yeah, 3 to 1. I showed you that setup yesterday. Here, nah, not the best one. We had the shark here. You can see back down. Here, if you play again and again the fib pong, well, this one was a shark. Why? Let me show you. From this high to this low, we had a shark setup there. Okay, you can see it, shark. So I'm not suggesting. I'm telling you that maybe if you are a scalper, you should avoid Mountain Man for the moment and play the shark setup. Seems like it's working really nice. And now we have the shark setup. Let's see the shark setup. This is high, this is the low. Let's put a short. Well, this is a shark setup. Will hold, I don't know, you took 1, you took 2, you took 3, you are profitable, and maybe this one will, I don't know, stop you out. Well, anyway, you are still profitable. So I don't think is the case for anything else. You can stay on shark setup and make money. Yeah? The market is too volatile to classic trade. That's why I'm applying shark setup. So it's up to you. Well, you did a good job there, Miko. We are not accepting any kind of advertising. We are not shillers here. Here we are traders and traders followers and aspiring to become traders. Well, we don't enjoy things like that. Go another live streams where there are more people and do that. Not here, please. If you want to learn how to trade, you are welcome. If not, go away. Okay, so shark is there. It's up to you if you want to take it. Now, let's see what we have on 1 hour on Ethereum. Similar. Now you can see we had the same pattern. We'll accept above this level and we'll push higher. I don't know. But seeing this one looks like a range, and what we should think at the top of the range. I don't know. Maybe a fake out and then accepting back below and testing some lows. I don't see a setup here. I could see this big W on higher time frame. Okay, you can maybe think about a long, but on 1 hour chart, I don't see a setup. I could hunt a short here, but nothing more than that. Jupiter, similar. You can see some W's forming here. We had a W from Friday. We retested that one yesterday. We made a new W. We push higher. We retested that W. It's pushing higher. Setups are forming. Setups are playing. It's up to you if you want to take something or if you want to play this market. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's there. Similar. Yeah, initial W, breakout, retest, but no W here. Just a retest and up. Fat, don't touch this one. I don't want to look at it for the moment. Solana. Well, Solana is playing fib pong, but you can see we have some strength on Solana. Solana it's a bit stronger. You can see we had this dump. We pumped in the short reload zone here. We had an yam. You can play that one, fib pong, whatever you want to call it. Then the target was at 61.8. Well, here we didn't touch shark. So if you are playing the shark setups, you'll miss the trade. And now here you can see we touch shark. We got to 2-1 and market is trying to tell us that it's stronger. Maybe we should leave it alone with the shorting Solana. There are other coins a bit more weak than Solana. Yeah, if you want to short. Playing long setup, well, let's see. Let's think about a long here. We are still in a short reload zone. You want me to think about short setup here? No. Long setup here? No. Short reload zone is not for longs. Even if we'll form this big W, it's too big. You want to take a window of risk, so entry here, stop loss here? I don't know. If you are trading on daily, maybe. But for the moment, Solana, it's a bit stronger than the rest. Let's respect that. That's all I'm trying to say here. Well, that's not bad. Not bad, Shogun, not bad. Stefan posted, if I remember correctly, posted a long on Solana. So why not? Dimension. Well, the trade is done. Now it's all over the place. Maybe we should need to let the market cool off a little bit. Okay, let's delete this one. It's done. Made nice money with it. What we can do? Shogun and other people from TRI, they know what I'm trying to do here. Well, below 33%, if we'll form 3 higher lows here, we can play a bot setup. So why not? But for the moment, I don't have a setup. Well, show me other communities which have 20R profit in these conditions. Some of them are telling you, don't touch leverage, it's dangerous. Well, it's dangerous if you are stupid, if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a stop loss, if you don't have a setup. Of course it's dangerous. You lose all the money. But if you know what you are doing, and you have a stop loss, and you have a strategy, and you have a plan, and good setups, yeah, a good behavior to play in the market, this is like a gift, this volatility. Because you can identify a small window of risk and a nice risk to reward. I remember what we discussed with Stefan yesterday when he said, well, I think I should stay out because, why? Play your setups. The risk reward is too big to stay out. Well, and you saw what happened. Yeah? He had nice setups in the London Center, really nice ones. But you have to know how to trade. You have to be a trader. You have to respect the market. Respect setups. Respect your plan. Otherwise, don't play it. Go and invest. Buy the dips on weekly chart and wait. You'll be a lot more profitable. You can still make money. But don't pretend you are a day trader when you're not. Either you learn to be a swing trader and a day trader or stay out on the investment part. It's free on our community. You have the plan there. You have everything. It's that simple, guys. You want to be swing trader. You want to make money in all the conditions every week. Okay. It's hard work. We have Capua 1. I think we'll do only one program this year. Only one more. So subscribe, join in that program if you want. I think this year we'll do only one session of Capua 1 and Capua 2. So We should focus on trading. And when you are teaching, you are in a program, you don't have enough time for trading. So one program only this year. One for Capua 1 and one for Capua 2. Okay, Matic. I could see an AB equals CD, but the risk reward here, it's gone. Yeah? I just don't like this one. They are better fish. Well, someone told you from a long time to pay attention on e-gold. I don't know. A stupid trader, I guess. And it's one of the best performing altcoins. You can see it. Best performing altcoins. Look at this one. This W was a gift. Well, that's how the bottom are formed. Some experienced trader will tell you that that's a good level to buy. You'll say, well, it's just a fake out and the market will push higher and higher and higher. And you'll come back to ask where to buy e-gold when e-gold will be $100. Sorry, but that's the reality. Here, I don't see a setup. It's a bit too high for my taste. It's forming kind of a cup and handle. Let's hope this is not the old handle. And we'll get a bit more, we'll get another dip, but it's strong, we should respect that, and it's one of the best to play the long side, at least for the moment. BNB, well, it's kind of a stable, I don't like it, and this environment is not behaving nicely. PITE, similar, you can see it's at the resistance now. W the other side of the trend line, nothing less, nothing more. Aevo, well, Stefan, if you remember, I said I'm buying Aevo here. I'm longing Aevo here. Now you can get why I did that. I closed some here, I took some profit. I don't know. For the moment, at least, for the moment, looks like this is the resistance. Could form a power of 3, that's why I didn't close everything. Could form a power of 3, accepting higher retest. You know the drill. But I was forced by my plan to take some off. I made nice money. So now I'm playing Aevo, not at the top. Joe, well, all over the place here. Nice W, strong, didn't retest all the way down, but I don't see a setup. On higher time frame, good one. Manta, you can see the W, breakout and retest, but that's 4-hour chart. So, if you want to play this one, I'm not saying don't play it. You want to play this big W? Well, okay, play it. But this was the trade. This one. W, breakout, retest. This was the trade. The traders trade. The scalper, the sharpshooter, call it whatever you want. Now you're playing this 4-hour W. Not bad. Not bad. Maybe you should go on starting with 50-minute chart and play with Holy Grail if you want to still. Usually I don't talk about this one for the public, but with Holy Grail you can get a grip, get an entry, and then when you'll be in profit you can switch the time frame to 30-minute chart to still be in a trade, to 1-hour chart, and then to 4-hour chart, and so on, and still keep a safe distance between the market price and stop loss, so you can ride the entire trend. This one, if we'll start pushing higher, well, let me show you something. Do you think this one has a potential for an uptrend? What do you say? Let's put a 4-hour chart. Well, you think has some potential to start here to give you an entry and push higher at least to test $3? What risk to reward you can get with something like that? Tell me. Some people saw me booking 50R, even more. And I'll try that. This is the right environment. I tried it here. I got at scratch and some of them hit my stop loss, but overall I'm okay. And I'll try again here. The potential for Holy Grail, for that strategy is too big for me not to play it. I have to be stupid not to play that setup here. I am a stupid trader, but hopefully I'm not stupid. Okay, so that's Manta. Ton, it's strong. This one, if you want to play the strength, you want to play the strong altcoin, okay, you can play this one. It's slowing down here, so watch out. But it's strong. Pixel, well, look at it. Let me hide the Holy Grail. Nothing to do now here. Nothing to do. Not. Unfortunately, I missed this one. And it's too late. I don't want to chase and I don't want to revenge kind of a trade. No. I missed this one. Was one of the best. I was watching it. But, well, sometimes you have to say next boss. And I'm waiting for another setup. I don't see any requests. No. Okay. So, now what I could do, I could scalp or trade 50-minute chart with Holy Grail. Pretty simple. Strong altcoins. It's a bit early, but something is happening. Something is forming here. You can see. Bonk. Some altcoins, they are performing really nice. They are still in a range, but they are trying to form something. I'm not going on 5-minute chart. I'm staying on 50-minute chart, so I could see the range. If I'll see breakouts, then I could adapt. I could stay on 5, on 15. I could go on 1 hour, or I could go on the other side on 5-minute chart to play around. But I'm starting to hunt with Holy Grail aggressively. If we'll hit 52, then I'll become even more aggressive. Because that could offer some support and some altcoins could bounce really strong. Let's see what market will give us. I'm playing aggressively, but I'm playing with my plan. I'm playing with my setups, with clear stop losses, with taking care of total risk. When you are day trading, you should be extra careful on total risk. How many open trades in the same direction and the same time frame you have, because the market is correlated here in crypto. Yeah. Okay. I don't see requests. Nothing special. Only careful on our influencer. When we'll start speaking, market could move. On Twitter, similar. Yeah, they are selling Bitcoin, but absorption is pretty good for the moment. I could see a capitulation, but I love to see that they sold a lot of Bitcoin and the market is still holding above 52. They have more to sell, that's for sure. So, okay, that was it from my part. I'll let Stefan in, I don't know, 10 minutes to live stream, still on YouTube, day trading with Stefan. And today it's Tuesday. We'll have free for everyone on Discord. So join the free part, ask to be verified, and you'll have access on New York session every Tuesday, every week. Yeah? If you want more, if you want premium, if you want something else, okay, you have a lot of opportunities in our community. Yeah? If you want to swing trade and get some ideas and participate in the live stream and slowly learn, you can join premium. If you want potential trade ideas day in, day out, quick, fast, and you are sharp enough, get VIP. If you want to learn proper how to trade, to swing trade, join Capua 1. If you already know how to trade really well or acceptable and you want to sharpen your tools, you have Capua 2. So we have kind of everything. After 2 years, we managed to put a really nice content on our community. We are here day in, day out. Stupid traders, but we are consistent. We are here to make money, not to be influencers. Okay, let's close it exactly at 30 minutes and we'll hear again later. Bye bye.